In this lecture, I would like to talk about the course released by EC Academy in the school year 2019. General enrollment information. For those annual or seasonal courses, we will announce them by posting them on the ecohacker.com. Please check with our website for the course information. And if you want to sign up, you can check with me, Dr. Eric Chow, with the email here and the Facebook right here. And you just need to send me your contact information, and we will try to contact you and then set up your enrollment information and then help you to sign up our course. If you are just interested for the mock courses, that is the recorded video courses, you may just sign up using the standard ecohacker.com standard sign up procedure, and the payments will be made through PayPal system. General information courses. These courses are used to help students to get used to our courses. So first, you need to take the EC Academy New Student Orientation course. That's called CS1. And then CS2, there is a course for the video collection for the software installation guide. These two are important to help you to get used to the environment we have. And we have the different software, including the IDE or compilers. This video collection has the installation guide for almost all of the languages that we covered. And also, this video series also covers some extra software installations. And these two courses help you to get used to our environments. We use the Java programming courses as our pilot language. We start with AP Computer Science series, AP Computer Science A for the first semester, AP Computer Science B for the second semester. These two alone will be enough for AP Computer Science course. Then we have the Java AWT and Swing course, that's for user interface. It may help the AP Computer Science course, but it is not required to include this part. After that, we provide JUnit testing course for Java and also the multi-threading course. These two are now available, and then the Java multi-threading will be released soon. And we have other Java courses that will need to have the Java EE edition, but these courses may not be available for the time being. And we will build these different courses in the school year 2019. And here are the courses that are currently available. We start with the Introduction to Java Programming. That's suitable for the middle school student from grade 8 to grade 10 for the high school student. And then we have the AP Computer Science ABN Review course. These three courses are used for the AP Computer Science preparation course and the review course. These courses are suitable for high school students ranging from grade 9 to grade 12. And then we have Java Swing and AWT GUI programming course. That is a supplementary course for the AP Computer Science A. It is suitable for high school students and also for college students. And then we have some other courses. These courses are suitable for the high school students, college students, and the working individuals. And for the Python course, we can also use this Python course as the pilot language. And these Python courses, you can get started with the Do Math with Python, or you can get started from Python Programming Essential and then go back to the Do Math with Python. And then that is the first course in Python. You can then take the Python Object-Oriented Programming course or the Python Intermediate Programming course. And this Python Intermediate Programming course will cover the data structure and algorithms using Python language. And at the end, we have the Python Programming Language course that is used to provide you the high-level Python computing models and language programmatics. And these courses are the core course for Python, We also offer many different Python application courses. And these are the courses that are currently available in our school year. We have the Python Programming Essential as the first course for Python, and then Python Object-Oriented Programming, Python Intermediate Programming for the data structure and algorithms, and we have the Do Math with Python, and the Python Advanced Algorithm and Languages. And we also have different Python application courses that are under construction. And we also offer a C++ course series, and it includes the C Programming Essential and C Link Structure. And then we have the C++ Programming Essential, C++ Object-Oriented Programming, and then move on to Data Structure with C++, and then also C++ Advanced Programming, including the GUI and the System Programming. So these are the courses that are currently available on our website. And beyond the languages, we have the Programming Language Pragmatics course and the Pre-Calculus with Python Programming. And this course includes both the feature for Python for Math and also the Pre-Calculus curriculum that is suitable for preparation of SAT Math Subject 2. And these are the courses that we have for the school year 2019. So let me know if you are interested in these courses, and you may sign up this course, either it's a mock course or private course or group lessons or in-person courses. You are always welcome. Thank you. Bye now.